everyone, welcome to the channel. If child psychology and educational theories feel confusing, this video is for you. Today I will explain Piaget theory of cognitive development in a very simple way. This topic is important for teachers, B.Ed students, interviews, lesson planning and parents. Let's begin. Piaget believed that children learn step by step as their thinking develops with age. According to him, children do not think like adults. Their understanding changes in stages. Piaget divided cognitive development into 4 stages. These are sensory motor stage, pre-operational stage, concrete operational stage, formal operational stage. Now let us understand each stage clearly. Sensory motor stage, from birth to 2 years. At this stage, babies learn through senses and actions. They touch, see, hear and move to understand the world. A baby shakes a toy to hear the sound. A baby also learns object permanence, which means understanding that an object still exists even when it is hidden. Babies learn by doing, touching and exploring. Pre-operational stage is from 2 years to 7 years. At this stage, children begin using language and imagination. They enjoy pretend play and start asking many questions. However, their thinking is still self-centered. They may find it hard to see another person's point of view. A child may, for example, believe the moon is following them. Children begin to think, imagine and speak, but logic is still developing. Now concrete operational stage, that is age 7 to 11. At this stage, children start logical thinking about real objects and situations. They understand concepts like number, time, conservation and classification. For example, they understand that the same amount of water remains equal even if poured into a different shaped glass. Children now think logically about real things they can see. Now comes formal operational stage, that is from 11 years and above. At this stage, children begin abstract and advanced thinking. They can imagine possibilities, solve complex problems and think about future plans. For example, they can discuss justice, ethics or create hypotheses in science. Now students can think beyond facts and imagination possible. Let's do the quick revision now. Sensory motor is learned through senses and movement. Pre-operational, language and imagination grow. Concrete operational, logical thinking begins. Then formal operational, abstract thinking develops. Why Piaget matters for teachers? Piaget teaches us that teaching must match the child's age and thinking level. A small child learns through activity and visuals. Older children can handle logic, debate and problem solving. Do not teach every age group in the same way. When teachers understand how children think, teaching becomes easier and learning becomes stronger. That is the power of Piaget theory. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe. Comment below what you want next. Bloom's taxonomy, lesson planning, teacher interview questions, or thank you for watching. See you in the next video.